Thank You Cleaner Day originated in New Zealand in 2015 when NZBSC, the New Zealand Building Services Contractors Association, approached Kärcher and asked whether we would be interested in supporting them in creating a day where we recognise the contribution that the cleaning industry, and particularly the cleaners themselves, make in improving our work or social environment. And this year, more than 20 different countries are getting involved.
Well, it's quite simple. If cleaning teams didn't turn up in hospitals, for example, operating theatres wouldn't be able to operate, places would be filthy dirty, offices wouldn't be cleaned, schools wouldn't be cleaned, they'd be closed, and so on. They're an essential, absolutely essential part of our society.
Cleaning is such a fundamental operation of any building, but it's often one of those things that goes unseen. But actually, when you get it right, it makes a huge difference.
I guess the biggest challenge faced by cleaning staff is the unsociable hours that they're asked to work.
They are often seen as an invisible workforce, arriving early in the morning or late in the evening, so it can lead to cleaning operatives feeling underappreciated and not part of the customer's wider team.
It's really important that the businesses recognise the great work that they do and actually say it.
Say hi, say hello, ask them how their day is. For me, it's about embedding that culture of saying thank you, or recognising and acknowledging hard work.
With initiatives such as this also really help to raise the profile with customers and brings them quite rightly into the limelight.
The more businesses that get involved in something like this, the more impact we have as an industry.
This is acknowledging and recognising the people in our business that deserve recognition.
Having come from being a cleaner myself, it is obviously a good career if you can get into it.
It is about showing that actually this job is vital to us. My mum used to say to me, don't think that there are fairies coming in and cleaning up after you. You know, sometimes I think that people actually believe that that happens.
What we've seen is, our employee retention levels improve by over 10%. So it does make a real difference. I've actually had letters forwarded from family members saying how proud they are of the person who's been formally recognised and said thank you to. And that's why we're here. That's kind of our DNA. It's really important.
When the client can see improvements in the productivity in their workplace, then they can actually derive benefit from that. And if that environment that people are working in or socialising in is more pleasant, that is largely going to be down to the work of the cleaners that improve that space.
I truly believe that the Thank You Cleaner Day, which was initiated by Kärcher some years ago, has had a tremendous impact on the cleaning industry.
And anything that raises the profile of the industry, the professionalism, the skill sets and the contribution that the industry makes is to be welcomed. And I think that anything that focuses on our staff and the good work they do is to be especially welcomed.